I want to show you one of the easiest ways to extract the transcription of a video from YouTube. In order to do this, you need to install Glasp. Glasp is a browser extension. It is available for Chrome, Edge, Brave, and Opera, and also for Safari. And once you install Glasp on your browser, you can go to YouTube and you will see this new menu bar with options. And to get the transcription of the video you are watching, you need to click here and then copy the transcript. You can go then to, I don't know, Google Docs or whatever you use, and you can paste the transcription here. Glasp is going to give you the name of the video, the URL, and the transcription with the timestamps. That's very useful in order to work with the transcription. Another thing you can do with Glasp on YouTube, if you use ChatGPT, you can press this button to send the transcription to ChatGPT with a prompt to summarize the transcription in 5 to 10 bullets. So this is a good thing, easy thing to start a conversation with ChatGPT based on the transcription of the video. See, you can get here the key takeaways from the video, and that's it. Glasp, one of the best browser extensions. I use it all the time to get the transcription from YouTube videos. I hope this video was helpful. See you next time. Bye.